What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're going to be discussing DALI, a speaker that is hidden inside of your wall. It is actually the primary speaker, the most important speaker in this setup. It is the center speaker, which is where all your dialogue comes from. I'm really excited to discuss this with you. I'm going to bring Miles in from BTZ, and he's going to give you the rundown. Let's do it!
There we go.
Yep.
Got it?
Okay guys, so this is the Bad Man Pajama right here. This thing is a massive, and if you're wondering what's going on with this screen, it's not a normal screen. This is called an acoustically transparent screen. You can have your speakers hidden behind it with absolutely no audio loss. It's amazing. If you're gonna get into true home cinema and you want a massive screen, but your wall can't accommodate, center speaker without putting it on the floor, this is the move right here.
And just the thought of being able to, you have your pre-wire that's done and they're sitting over here or they're right here and they're in the wrong place, whatever.
Yeah, like imagine if you would have put all of these speakers up here where it's pre-wired. Don't ask me why these pre-wire companies do this, but we hate it as audio video enthusiasts. Like the fact that we love quality audio. High frequency audio is line of sight, guys. You have to have it line of sight. If not, you're immediately distorting the audio.
And you're not standing when you're hanging out in your media room.
Exactly. So. All right, let's pull this grill off.
We're gonna pull the grill off, but what I was gonna also add to that was when you have all these things, or they're out too far or whatever, and in your mind you're calling us out for a walkthrough, and you're thinking 100-inch screen, 110-inch screen, and I get there and I see this ugliness on your wall, and I say, well, why don't we just do a 133 and get in-wall speakers that are big ones like this?
Yeah.
That are much better quality, and you can't see them. Usually the decorator of the house appreciates that too. So
yeah, absolutely. So, you got to get that wife approval, right, guys?
Hey, I wasn't going there. You guys said decorator of the house.
It is what it is. All right, check this thing out. So what's going on here?
So one of the things I love about DALI so much is, by far and away, from my experiences, they have probably the best sounding line of in-wall speakers. Other than the entry-level stuff, the H and the H series and I can't think of the letter. I think I want to say E series. Those are the infinite baffle ones that would be competitive with everybody else's. Still great speaker. Everything else they do is sealed. So you don't have to, you're going to get bass response out of it.
This entire enclosure is sealed.
Completely sealed.
Nice.
Yeah, completely metal. Completely
all of the really high-end in-wall speakers you'll see when you get into like THX certifications and things like that, especially like Ultra 2s and things, they'll have to be sealed.
Right. Now these guys have three basic levels of in-wall speaker. This is the S series, which is their best stuff, and this is what makes me drool over in the architectural speaker, because look at this. I mean, you get a 10-inch woofer in it, a long throw woofer at that. You still get their famous patented module, and then this big mid bass driver right here as well. So you got quite a full range speaker going on. Imagine 3 of them in your wall. So they also have it to where this is the S80, it'd be just these two together, and then they have an S280, which ends up being about as tall as me and has another one of these in it. So
nice.
Down here. So if you really want to go for it, this is your speaker. They have a new line called the M series that is kind of something in between. I mean, if you want to get something extremely good quality without spending $2,000 a speaker, then that's a brand new line from them. And I've already done, I don't know, half a dozen of them jobs with those in it, and customers are loving it. So if you're really into music more than you are the audio from the video content, or you're going to watch live performances on Blu-rays, that sort of thing, you want to hide away in this room and listen to music, DALI is where it's at for me. So perfect.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on this sick DALI center speaker. Miles truly loves this manufacturer. He is one of our preferred partners in the DFW area, and he actually has offered to invite you guys into his home if you truly are interested in this product for a demo. So If you would like to purchase, make sure to give us a ring and show your support. We really appreciate your business. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.